Hi everyone and welcome to Health Trust TV. I'm Adam Morrella and today we'll be discussing prevention and self-care. I'd like to welcome to our studio two invaluable Health Trust employees, Erika Zuniga and Leslie Peres-Ortiz. Ladies, thank you for being here today.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, it's great. So Erika, let's start with you. Can you start off by telling us about the Better Choices, Better Health program at Health Trust?
Yes, of course. The Better Choices, Better Health program is a 6-week program. We meet once a week for 6 weeks. And it's 2.5 hours, and we actually do these workshops in the community, so they can be at community centers, at libraries, senior centers, and it's for anyone that has a chronic condition or if you're a caregiver for someone else. For example, if you have diabetes, if you have chronic pain, asthma, arthritis, and those are just a couple examples. But we encourage everyone that has one of those conditions to sign up and come to our classes because you learn a lot of valuable tools to help you manage symptoms, to make long-term plans, to also make sure that you know how to eat healthier, how to exercise and do it in a safe way.
That sounds great. So what kind of clients do you guys serve?
As I mentioned, this class is open to anyone in Santa Clara County, of course, and you can be someone who has a chronic condition. Also, if you are a caregiver for someone that has a chronic condition or a family member, it can be a very useful workshop for everyone.
Okay, and so how do we go about enrolling in these programs?
You can check our website and check our Better Choices, Better Health program site. You can also call me directly to sign up. We do outreach in the community as well, so if you ever see us with an orange tablecloth, we'll be out there and you can sign up for
Wow, that sounds great. That sounds great. So Leslie, can you tell us about the HIV prevention services you guys have at Health Trust?
Yes, definitely. Well, one of the programs that we do have is Positively Speaking. Talk about an invaluable program that we offer. So we have individuals that have been infected with HIV/AIDS, and they go out into the community and they share their stories.
Wow.
So we've expanded our services to middle school students, high school students, college students. It's a really great program.
Wow. So can you talk a little bit more about the positive self-management program?
So that's a specific curriculum, and that's for individuals that are also HIV positive. And what it really focuses on is how to live a healthy life. Because life does go on after being infected by HIV. It's a wonderful curriculum. For more information on that program, anyone can go on our website. We have our information there, and they can contact us regarding those, the Positively Speaking and the curriculum.
So Leslie, can you tell us about the Crane Center?
Yes, actually, the Crane Center does provide HIV testing and STD testing. For more information, you can go onto our website as well as going onto the county website for information, dates, and times in which the center is open.
That's great. Okay, great. So, ladies, that was some really good information from you guys. We want to really thank you guys both for being here.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for having us, Adam.
Now let's send it over to Paloma at Community Health Partnerships.
Thank you, Adam. I'm here in one of the many exam rooms of Gardner Health Center here in San Jose. And with me is Angelica Diaz, Director of Community Programs. Thank you for being with us today.
Thank you for having us.
We're going to be discussing the important things that they do here. So can you tell us a little bit more about community health programs?
Sure. Community Health Partnership is a nonprofit organization of community health centers in Santa Clara and San Mateo County. Our mission is to advocate for affordable and accessible healthcare services for our diverse and multicultural community in this area, and also to support our member clinic organizations in achieving these goals.
Great, okay. And so what is Community Health Partnership doing to improve the health of residents here in Silicon Valley?
Community Health Partnership is working with our local community health center partners to improve the quality of and access to health care for those who are uninsured or have low incomes. For example, there are women in our community who need mammography screening services, but they can't afford to have one. And Community Health Partnership has that program for them. It's the Community Mammography Access Project, also known as CMAP.
So can you expand on the program?
Sure. The CMAP offers 3 key services. We provide health education to women in the community and meet them where they are, at libraries, at churches, at the flea market. We provide patient navigation services to new patients who need help navigating the healthcare system. And we also provide financial support to uninsured women who need mammography screenings.
Okay. And so why is it so important for women to have these screenings?
Early cancer detection is important, and we want to increase the availability of mammography screening so that we're able to intervene when we can.
That's wonderful. So how does this program work, and what can women expect from this program?
We work with our community health centers and other social service organizations to identify the women who need patient navigation services, health education, and the financial support. Once we identify those women, we connect them to local resources so they receive recommended breast screening.
And how do people enroll?
For more information, I recommend that they contact Community Health Partnership at 408-556-6605 and ask about our CMAP program. The website is www.chpscc.org.
Wow, what an amazing program. Thank you so much.
Thank you for this opportunity, Paloma.
And now let's send it over to Elena for a healthy segment.